How to create an Amazon account. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser and there simply in the search address bar type down the Amazon and search for it. Then once you do so, all you have to do is navigate to the official website of Amazon. Simply tap on the Amazon.com option available there at the top. Now here, as you can see, there is sign in option available at the top right corner, and there is also this new customer prompt option available. Simply tap on the new customer, click here option available there right below the start here. Then fill the registration form, your name, email, password, re-enter password, and simply fill out this information. So as you can see, I have filled out this information. Once filled out, simply tap on the create your Amazon account or continue option available there. Also make sure that you have entered the correct Gmail account. Then here you'll be asked for a verify via one-time password sent to your email. Now all you have to do is open the email and type down the one-time password number, then tap on the continue and done. You will be now signed in to your Amazon account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.